Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and I'm so happy that you're here. I wanted to talk about what you get when you order directly from your consultant's website. So I have a package here that I received, that I purchased with my own money, and I wanted to show you guys exactly what you would expect when you're getting your stuff from the website. So without further ado, here we go. Okay, so should have had this kind of pre-opened, but I wanted to show you guys that I have not opened this yet. Here it says Hola Bella, and then here it says Hello Gorgeous. How cute is that? I absolutely love it. You wouldn't expect it from looking at this box. On the side it says with lots of love in Spanish and also in English on the other side. The really cool thing about this, these are corn starch, so it's biodegradable, so once you add water to it, it actually dissolves, so it's great for the environment. Okay, so here, opening up the box, there is a lot of peanuts in here, so I'm trying not to get messy here, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this on the side so you guys can see this. All right. So I ordered the satin hands. So this is what I got, the Shea hand soap butter. So it comes beautifully packed. I went ahead and also, I got two holiday lookbooks. So I got the fall 2020 lookbook, and then I also got the holiday 2020 lookbook. There's going to be times that your consultant will go ahead and add two different samples for you to try, and with these, and I know that I put up the these lookbooks don't actually have the samples in it. The ones that are mailed directly to you are the ones that do. But it's actually kind of nice because then you have this and you have tutorials on how to do the makeup looks. All right. And then the box inside looks like this. Obviously, if you ordered more stuff, it's going to be like that. And then here you have your insert sheet. Pretty cool. It talks about how you can shop 24 hours a day through their personal website, and saying a personal thank you for the order. And then here on the back gives you all the information and your stylist information if you have any questions, and exactly what's included in your box. So that is basically what you will receive when you order directly from the consultant's website. So I hope that was helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs down. That gives me lets me know that you didn't like the content, so that way I can go ahead and do another better one for you guys. If you have any questions, comment down below, and please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys later. Bye.